Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account tied to your YouTube activity. Make sure you use the same profile you usually watch with. Once signed in, open Library and tap History, or go straight to the History page. If History isn't recording, check Activity Controls and toggle Watch and Search History on. Doing this now ensures the items you search for will appear. Once done, you're ready to narrow down what you're looking for. You'll use the search box at the top of History to type keywords, channel names, or fragments of titles. This targets the complete record rather than current recommendations. Next, apply filters like date range, watch versus search entries, or device to shrink results. Make sure to scan thumbnails and timestamps to confirm the match. If results are broad, refine with extra keywords or exact phrases in quotes. Once narrowed, you can identify the exact session or moment quickly. To finish, remove any entries you don't want saved by clicking the Remove icon, or choose Clear All Watch History to reset recommendations. Remember, this is permanent. If you need a record, use Google Takeout to export your YouTube watch and search data for archiving. If expected items are missing, check that you're on the correct account, that device sync completed, and that history wasn't paused. If problems persist, sign out and back.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.